Hi guys! Welcome to Little Drone in the Sky. Do you like taxidermy? Do you want to see stuffed tigers? You know what? I will show you something even better. We have gophers. Today we will go to Torrington, Alberta to a museum that has been operating since 1996. The name is Gopher Hole and they have lots of them. You don't even have to pay for admission. They operate on donation system. But bring cash, they don't accept cards. You can't expect too much technology from a small house converted into a museum for rodents, can you? And also, do not ask the owner about how the gophers were collected. It would just ruin the fun. We will just agree that every gopher on exhibit lived long happy lives filled with love and laughter, and in the end, they died surrounded by loved ones with peace in their hearts. And then bam! We have dead rats on a stake dressed and posed for your entertainment. Enjoy! If you subscribe to my channel, it doesn't matter what others think of you. I think you're a nice person who makes good decisions in life. Bye!